Hey everybody, it's Mark Lima and it's Thursday, April 22nd. So you know what that means. It's another week of Mortgage Minute with myself and Justin from EPiQ Lending. Just a reminder, this is a short brief weekly series we're doing to keep you up to date on what's going on with the mortgage world. If you're looking to refi, possibly purchase a home and want to know what the mortgage rates are doing. So without further ado, I'm going to hand it over to Justin so he can give us the rundown of what's taken place in the last week and what we're looking at today.
Yeah, absolutely. So thanks, Mark, so much. Again, I hope everyone's having a great week, ramping up for the weekend. Justin here with EPiQ Lending, your local mortgage lender. So what we're going to do is Mark and myself have a great tool. It's called Market Movement, which is a weekly email that we can send out to you. Anyone who wants this information, just reach out to Mark and he'll get you set up. But it's a weekly email that goes out and it basically has some great information. So it's going to tell you how interest rates are trending, key things that happen to affect rates, meaning unemployment rate, retail spending. So it's just a lot of great information we all, should know a little bit about and just be a little bit more informed. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show everyone out there what the email looks like and how you can get stats on the housing market in your particular city. So what we'll do here, so I'm going to pull up the email. So this email, again, if you want to get signed up, it goes out weekly. It's updated weekly. It's real-time info. This is called the market movement. So basically what it does, I'll scroll up to the top here. So it's really cool. So it gives you key trends, key data that, again, could affect rates. It could affect home values. And then it has some nice graphs here. So as far as the nuts and bolts is basically with rates, they are the lowest they've been today in about a month or so. So again, a couple months ago, we had all-time record low rates. They creeped up. Now they've started to go back down. With that being said, we don't know how long that's going to last. If you notice right here, this graphic, volatility. So rates are volatile right now, which means basically anything could happen, meaning going up, going down. Another key indicator with rates is the unemployment rate. It dropped again from last week. And again, the current unemployment rate is the lowest that it's been since we all started this pandemic. So that's good news that people are getting back into the workforce and are going to have, paychecks and income to be able to buy homes out there. And then, so a lot of this information is really in depth, great information, really detailed. So I won't go over all of it, but this is the kind of information that you can get again on a weekly basis. It'll show you right here is a cool graphic is trends with market rates in the form of a graph. This is a great one. Probably the most in-demand part of this email is you can get what's called a housing report for your city, or if you want it for the entire county of Orange County. So what I'll do is once you start getting these emails, if you go to the bottom, you click on this red button that says download now. So let me share this with you. Give me 1 second. All right, so when you click on that red box, this is where it's going to take you. So these are what we call your housing reports. Again, these are updated weekly. They're real-time information, and this contains all the cities in Orange County and even Orange County as a whole. And even to take it a step further, it breaks it down into condos or single-family residents, so homes versus condos. So I'll give you an example of what kind of information you get. So we're going to go down to Huntington Beach, single family residence or regular home. And let me share that really quick. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. So again, this is Huntington Beach, but it's not limited to Huntington. You have every city in the county as well as the county. So some really cool info. So right here, obviously it shows the median sales price this week for HB was 1.4 million. So it kind of keeps you in tune with what home values in your city are doing. And then to the right here, it has the trends, of how much the sales prices increased, how much inventory or homes on the market are. So a lot of great info. Also tells you that there is, how many homes on the market, and it has a nice graph. So again, really good information. This is a cool graph a lot of our clients like. It shows you real-time info of what home prices are doing in HB, depending on the time range. So yeah, so basically we just wanted to roll out this amazing tool. We've been using it for years. A lot of our clients give tremendous feedback, just saying, hey guys, thank you for sending this out. So consistent on a weekly basis. It has a lot of great information on my particular city where I live. And it just keeps you informed, even if you're not in the industry, a homeowner, you need to be informed. You need to know what's going on with your area, market, etc. So I'll go ahead and stop sharing this. But again, anyone who wants to get signed up, just go ahead and reach out to Mark Lima, and he can set you up on an automatic email where you get the link that I just shared every single week. You click on it, and there you have your own particular city's housing report.
And just to clarify, Justin is referencing Orange County because both his office and my office are located in Orange County, but we both work with people in LA County, Riverside County, different counties as well. So by no means is this information limited to just Orange County. He was just using that as a reference, but like if you're in Lakewood, Long Beach, Cerritos, Artesia, Corona, any of those, cities in LA or Riverside County that we work in, we can definitely provide you with that same level of information and knowledge. So again, just kind of rehashing what Justin said, it's a very, very, very useful tool. I'm a very firm believer in the adage, knowledge is power. Can never know too much. If you're following what's on the news, there tends to be a little bit of a lag there, and you're kind of getting yesterday's news, whereas this is more real time, keeping your thumb on the market. And it's useful not only if you're looking to buy, sell, refi, even if you just want to keep tabs, and know what's going on. So I definitely encourage anybody interested to reach out to myself, and I can connect you with the tool, and you'll just, like Justin said, get the automated email. And in addition to that, we're still going to be doing these weekly mortgage minute calls. I'm sorry, videos for you guys. So you'll be getting the information in that route as well. But some people do prefer to get it, in their email box, read the headlines at their leisure and all that good stuff. So just another valuable tool that both Justin and myself are providing to not only our clients and friends, but also anybody out there that's getting this across their laptop, phone, wherever they're consuming this video. So again, don't be shy to ask. We're always here to help. And just to reiterate, so Justin, what you're saying is from last week's mortgage minute to today's, interest rates are down a little bit, and we don't know how long that party is going to last. But as it stands today, we're looking good, right?
That is correct, Mark. And just a little more insight on that. So rates again are the lowest they've been in about a month or so. So great news there. What we are hearing looking further out, meaning summer, is interest rates probably will tick up a little bit for the summer. Nothing major, nothing to get worried about. Rates are still going to be great. So a little bit of uptick. And I just wanted to touch on something that Mark said, which is actually very crucial info, is that this is real-time information. So an example is myself being in mortgage lending, et cetera, is pretty much daily. I get calls from clients or, someone referred them to me, friends, family. Hey, Justin, I heard on the news or wherever it was, rates dropped, and I said, yes, that is true. But that was, 4 days ago. It was a week ago. So a lot of the stuff, exactly like Mark said, that you see even online, news, media, TV, et cetera, it's outdated information. So by the time most of the people out there in the public have gotten that information on whatever rates are doing, that's done. It's already changed. So that's a crucial thing. And again, just to reiterate, like Mark said, this is not just for Orange County. So we have all the counties in California, all the cities, and like Mark said, is we do business everywhere. So we do business San Diego County, LA County, Inland Empire. So anything you need, we have you covered. And we really appreciate you tuning in, and knowledge is power.
Yeah, so again, my name is Mark Lima. If you have any questions on the real estate side, I'm more than happy to help in any way I can. Again, no strings attached. I'm more than happy to just be your trusted source and knowledge provider for anything on the real estate side. You can either email me at mlima, so that's my first initial last name, at limarealestategroup.com, or you can call or text me on my direct line, which is 714-333-6407. And I also encourage and Justin will give his information much in the same fashion I am, but I would encourage that you, another way to stay on top of the informational sources and staying up to date and getting a lot of useful, pertinent information would be to follow us on our social media channels. So my Both my Facebook and my Instagram are at Lima Real Estate Group, all one word. And I'm sure Justin will share his as well. So, you know, the more we stay connected, the more on top of the market you'll be. And again, not to sound corny, but knowledge is power. So I encourage you to, you know, consume as much data and real-time knowledge as possible.
Yep, absolutely. So I'll just give my cell phone number. So again, I'm Justin with EPiQ Lending. We're a local mortgage banker, direct lender. My cell phone number, area code 949-230-1880. Again, 949-230-1880. And you know, and what I'll leave you guys with is myself and Mark. You know, we have a lot of years experience in the industry, and that's something you can't buy. You can't replace that. You have to go through those trials, those tribulations, those successes to really be well versed and be a true expert. So anyone out there that needs advice or questions, whether it's real estate side with Mark, lending, myself, is we're here. We're here for the community. So it's not just, hey, we're only going to talk to you if you're, you know, we're going to sell you something. Is we're here as a resource. So use us, and we really appreciate everyone tuning in today.
Have a nice day. Thank you very much. See you next week.